Imagine a country roughly the size of New Jersey becoming a global tech powerhouse. Israel, famously dubbed the startup nation, has achieved exactly that. Despite its small size, Israel consistently ranks among the world's top startup ecosystems. What's drawing entrepreneurs from across the globe to this innovative hub? In today's video, we'll explore the unique ingredients that make Israel a hotbed for entrepreneurs. Stick around till the end, because we'll reveal a surprising fact about Israel's startup scene that you won't want to miss. Israel has earned its nickname Startup Nation by having the highest number of startups per capita in the world. Tel Aviv, Israel's economic heart, now ranks number 4 globally, tied with Los Angeles, among tech startup hubs, just behind Silicon Valley, New York, and London. In fact, Israel's overall startup ecosystem is rated 3rd in the world and 1st in the Middle East in recent rankings. This means a fledgling company in Tel Aviv has one of the best chances anywhere to grow into a global success. With thousands of active startups and new ventures launching every year, the density of innovation in Israel is unparalleled. It's a place where cutting-edge ideas thrive amid a culture that celebrates entrepreneurship. One reason Israel stands out is the breadth of industries its innovators tackle. Renowned for high-tech and software, Israel is a world leader in cybersecurity, fueled in part by veterans of elite military tech units, and has become a global hub for security startups. It's also a major player in artificial intelligence, fintech, and cloud computing. Beyond software, Israeli ingenuity shines in health tech and biotech. Its health tech sector recently even surpassed others in funding, as well as agritech and water technology. Remember, Israel pioneered drip irrigation and water recycling to turn desert into farmland. From the navigation app Waze, built in Israel and later acquired by Google for over $1 billion, to autonomous driving tech like Mobileye, Israeli startups have made a global impact. This diversity means entrepreneurs in Israel can find thriving communities in almost any major sector, all driven by a spirit of innovation. Israel's startup success isn't just luck, it's built on a supportive ecosystem of talent, funding, and policy. The country invests heavily in research and development, spending a world-leading 6.3% of its GDP on R&D, more than double the OECD average. This focus has cultivated an exceptional talent pool. Israel's top-tier universities, like the Technion and Hebrew University, produce highly skilled graduates, and even mandatory military service often provides young professionals with real tech and leadership experience, especially in cybersecurity and engineering roles. The result is a workforce adept at problem-solving and comfortable with cutting-edge technology. On the funding side, Israel boasts a vibrant venture capital scene and international investment. It ranks number 1 in venture capital investment per capita and attracts massive global funding. Tel Aviv alone draws a huge share of venture funding, second only to London outside of the US. Major tech companies have noticed over 450 multinational firms, including Google, Microsoft, and Apple, have opened R&D centers in Israel, creating collaboration opportunities for startups. Importantly, the government actively encourages innovation through pro-business policies and the Israel Innovation Authority, a government office dedicated to supporting startups. This means entrepreneurs in Israel can tap into incubators, grants, and a culture that rewards innovation. The famous Israeli chutzpah, a bold, can-do attitude, also contributes to a collaborative startup culture where networking is strong and failure is seen as a learning step, not a stigma. Before packing your bags, entrepreneurs should also weigh the challenges of operating in Israel. The most obvious is the geopolitical situation. Israel faces ongoing regional tensions, and in late 2023, a war with Hamas erupted, forcing many reservist employees to pause startup work for military duty. While the tech sector showed resilience, startups even raised over $3 billion during 6 months of conflict. Political instability and security risks are realities that businesses must account for. Additionally, Israel's domestic market is relatively small, so startups typically plan for global expansion from day one. This global mindset can be an advantage, but it means entrepreneurs must compete on the world stage early. Another factor is cost of living. Tel Aviv is routinely ranked among the world's most expensive cities. High living costs and salaries for tech talent can strain a startup's budget. For foreign entrepreneurs or employees, relocation to Israel can be pricey. In 2023, Tel Aviv was the 8th most expensive city globally for expats. Finally, there's the challenge of recent political uncertainty, such as debates over judicial reforms, which has at times made foreign investors cautious. These risk factors don't outweigh Israel's advantages, but savvy entrepreneurs should plan for them. whether by securing business continuity plans during crises or budgeting for higher expenses. In summary, Israel offers a unique mix of world-class innovation, rich funding sources, and a dynamic talent pool, all set in a culture that embraces entrepreneurship. It's a place where startups in fields from software to biotech can thrive if founders are prepared to navigate the risks. So, why consider Israel? Few countries can match its combination of creative energy and proven results on the global stage. And as promised, here's one final eye-opening fact. Israel produces more billion-dollar startups per capita than any country on Earth. That's right, this tiny nation leads the world in unicorn density, with about 5.6 unicorns per million people, far outpacing even the US. It's a testament to how Israel punches above its weight in innovation. For entrepreneurs seeking the next big opportunity, Israel just might be the launchpad that turns bold ideas into global successes.